Sesame.
Sesame?
Rich sex, I ain't the type to be dick pressed. You don't be giving me no stress, so I know where it's at. Only when you tryna see, what you looking at me for? All I want is LV, I want Gucci on me, all I want is your head and your hands. Gonna help yourself, yeah. What you talking about me for? Won't you take me to season?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As y'all saw by the title, we're gonna be doing a vlog. I'm at the beach right now. Hot girl summer.
Okay.
So we're at the beach. Y'all probably gonna see this intro a little bit later into the video because I had already had some clips. Make sure you guys keep on watching this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already.
You better subscribe to my baby's YouTube channel.
Because what are you doing? Like this video and comment down below.
Yes.
Hey guys, so we're here. Got our little drink, giving me hot girl summer vibes. It's already summer. Oh, we're just like walking the boardwalk right now. I found the perfect picture location, y'all. I'm about to take pictures right here. Stop the cab. Look at my beautiful mom. Her giving body, giving the looks today. Anyway, in case y'all wondering, yes, this is an alcoholic beverage. And my why do you do me like that though? Why? Oh, and I forgot to mention, in case y'all was wondering, we're in Miami. Anyways, I'm lying again. Oh, park right there. I didn't even know that. Thank you. Hey guys, so it is a few days later.
Yes, it is.
And I'm heading to I'm heading to my grandma's house. So yeah, that is what I'm doing for the day.
Hey guys.
And then I'm gonna be going to New York vibe. Giving me very much New York vibe. But yeah, so oh, and I'm getting my hair done.
Yeah.
Baddie on the way.
Yes, girl. Hey guys.
Thanks, say hi back. New York City! We all look dusty. Ow. Put it back. What's that? Bro, this is New York. Niggas do not care if you're a female. They was still smashing.
I'm playing me like that, bro.
I'm just saying. Right, you? Yeah. Why y'all want to subscribe? Oh!
Yeah, what's your name?
All right, let me type it in. Y'all struggling over there?
Baby, I thought you said more. So I could turn this.
Where I put it? Maya, where we at?
The beach.
The energy, bro.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, no.
What? I think she thinks I'm okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Y'all are nasty for even going in there just to... So we're still at the beach, y'all.
Yes.
We're about to get some ice cream. Period. As y'all already saw by the clips, we already got into an argument. Thank you. Can I get a... Oh my, ice cream. Oh shit! Yo. Dead. Nah. Maya. I mean.
Bro, cut it out.
Yeah, throw it back out. Yo.
Something bit that fish.
Yo, something bit it. Yo. What is this? Got a whole leg and everything. The stuff that we the stuff that we found at this beach is outrageous.
Catching me up for again.
How you don't know how it feels?
Really?
These is bomb, y'all. From
They is not the bone.
Cheers. She mad at me right now. For being hungry.
Tell them how you hungry all day, every day. Caught in 4K.
Hey guys, me again. As y'all can tell, I got my hair done. Period. Tune into my video. I have a video up of how I achieved this hair. The link will be in the description. Period. But that is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was requested on my Instagram, so y'all already know I had to give it to you. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post, because why not? Like, what are you doing? See you guys in my next video.
I want rich sex. I ain't the type to be dick pressed. You don't be giving me no stress.